Harper, you excited to see the house?
Yeah.
Let's go. It's been 3 years in the making. I want to show you guys a tour of the house. So we finally got the key to the house, brand new house. 4-bedroom detached house. What an amazing journey it's been. This was actually just a dream in 2015, starting our journey, building our businesses online. And we are finally here, Harper. Do you want to go in?
Yeah.
There you go. Amazing. Absolutely awesome. So I suppose I better start by saying it feels very surreal at this point to walk into this house. This has been our goal since we very started. The first time we started our business. So in this video I just want to give you guys a tour with Harper, let her just do what she wants to do. Are you gonna go see your bedroom?
Yeah.
Yeah? But yeah, here we go. So nice little walk-in area, which is cool. Then what do we have, Harps? We've got a dining room. So this is going to be a nice little dining room, which is nice. The house itself has got. We're in the corner, so we're in the corner. We're going to get the garden around, get it all cleared up and everything. But got amazing wildlife near us, near a river and a lake and things. Go on then. Then we've got just a downstairs toilet, which is cool. We'll go. This is the living room. So we've got a nice sized living room with a huge conservatory out the back here. Let me come out here. It's really cool. Amazing space. Don't like the colour, but we will change the colour. All that out the back here is just there's like a river. Amazing for wildlife. Amazing for running. Amazing. I love to do running. I love to go out in nature and just really inspirational. Just really inspirational. Show you guys the kitchen. Here's the kitchen, Harper. Kitchen, which is awesome, bro. So much better than our old kitchen. Last night I had the guys round and they got me a nice gift saying don't stop dreaming. A nice bottle of champagne. Let me just show you the bottle itself. The bottle itself, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this. Basically says new house, October 2018, which is it's so surreal because my birthday is my 30th birthday is actually on Monday coming, and we always said that by the time we get to our 30th we'd like to get a new house. So it's a bit surreal how it works, how this has happened. But let me walk you up the stairs. We've got nice little hallway, really nice, which is cool. Then let's see Harper's bedroom. Here's ooh, Harper's bedroom. What do you think of this one, Harper? Where are you?
This one is big.
This one is big.
Yeah.
Really nice. Which is nice. There's the beast, the car. Awesome. With it being 4 bedrooms, I've actually got an office, guys. I've actually got an office. This is going to be my office. It's a small little office, but it's going to be an office. I'm going to finally get a nice desk. I'm going to have on the walls, I'm going to have inspirational quotes and black frames. Probably go off to IKEA, which is amazing. Here's the garden. Really nice. Oh, my goodness. Bathroom, which is all brand new, which is awesome. We've got, it's going to be Theo's bedroom, which is again a nice big size. Looking outside, nice neighbours. The neighbours are, we've got a lawyer that side and we've got a solicitor that side. Kylie absolutely loves this room. This is our master room, our master bedroom, where we have a nice ensuite with a drenched shower, which is amazing. And that, it just blows, just lost for words, I'm not gonna lie. Just lost for words. Let's go downstairs again, perhaps. So excited, aren't you? You love those steps? Yeah. Just completely lost for words. I'm not gonna lie, it's been... Kylie and Theo are not here at the minute. Kylie's at the warehouse and Theo's at school. But kind of lost for words at the minute, getting the keys and walking in the house, because this has been 3 years in the making. Worked so hard for 3 years, and we're still working. You know, it doesn't stop now. But earlier on this year, we got the car, which was amazing. You know, to go from our old car to that car, and now to go into a brand new house, from taking action every day, just working on it, just believing that you'll find the way. Starting back in 2015, our first online business, got started from the living room, just got started taking action. Was really, I always remember the first month I got the whole family to do a goal setting workshop, and on there was Disneyland, it was Rome, there was Paris, Eiffel Tower, it was all these things on there, and we've done it all in 3 years, and it blows my mind on how it happens, blows my mind on the journey. You don't really, I think Steve Jobs said this once, he said, you can't connect the dots looking forward, you can only connect the dots looking backwards. And it's been so much hard work. We've worked and we've worked tirelessly. But this is just such a great 30th birthday present. It really is a great 30th birthday present, and I'm super proud to have shared that with you guys. Because, you know, when I first started our business from the living room, we was just sort of like working at it, and then I quit my job, and I thought, you know what, I just want to share the journey. I just want to share it with some people, like-minded individuals. And over the last couple of years, I've been able to help and support and meet some incredible people. And just to be off on a day like today with Harper. What's the best thing about this house? Yeah, going up the stairs like that. But anyway, guys, I'm going to shoot off. I just wanted to share that with you. It's just amazing. Just completely lost for words. I hope you have an outstanding day. If you guys want to get started with your online business, you are welcome to go into the Online Arbitrage Mastery Facebook group, and we're gonna have all the links in the description below where you can get started, because this opportunity is very real, and this opportunity right now, building businesses online, different business models, is there right now. So take care, keep taking massive action, and I'll speak to you very soon.